Make 10 bands a month. Walk 10K steps. Eat right. Communicate with your family and your friends. Strengthen your relationship with God. Take care of your mental health. Get rest. And it's just like so much.
Welcome back to my flop era. Yes, my 90-day life makeover. I can't wait for this to be over. If you're new here, I committed 90 days to changing the quality of my life, and I am flopping real bad. real bad. Last week I didn't meal prep. I haven't used my Notion template in like a week or two. The other day at a meeting at work, I had
7 chicken wings, 2 cupcakes, and a hot dog.
I lost sight of my goals. Like, I lost the plot. And what I think it is because I'm transforming so many different areas of my life and hyper focusing on certain ones, like my fitness and my health and wellness. That has kind of been my main focus because I'm trying to have a summer body. We're on our last leg, y'all. This is the last 30 days of the 90-day challenge. We gotta go out strong. We gotta get this together. So I plugged in all my goals into ChatGPT, and I told her come up with a plan for the next 30 days so I could go out strong. I'm just gonna get straight into it. She gave me a 4-week plan, 30 days. Are you flopping like me or what? Like, what's going on? I really need to know.
Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I'm looking a little crazy. I'm about to get my life together, and then we're gonna go throughout my day or whatever. So I already did my morning mindfulness. I already prayed.
Yup, she was a fairy. 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 With a fatty on my daddy. He want grab it, he want smack it, he want have it on my daddy. This shit smacking. She was a fairy. With a fatty on my daddy. He want grab it, he want smack it, he want have it on my daddy. This shit smacking. This shit smack. Let me see, touch your toast, throw it back, make it clap.
I just made my protein coffee and I love it. TikTok influenced me per use. TikTok stay influencing me. I wanted to up my protein intake because when I drop my weight, I don't want to be looking lanky and just skinny with no definition. You know, I want to look toned and cute and sexy. Toputure sent me a TP4 treadmill / walking pad, so I don't have no more excuses as to why I'm not in the gym. I'm getting myself up and I'm going to work out. Period. Getting my steps in. I got my girlfriend setting it up because I am just a girl. The walking pad is elite, but I prefer to have the treadmill part up so I can put my remote, put my phone, put everything on the stand that comes with the treadmill. One of my favorite things about this treadmill is the app. It comes with an app that you could connect by Bluetooth. So I put in my name, I put in my height and my weight and all of that. I got it set up with my health app, which tracks everything. Y'all know I love to track everything that I do, especially when it comes to my fitness. They have a whole bunch of things that you could choose from, training programs that you could download. You can even track your meals on here. I am faithful to MyFitnessPal, but I think I would check it out. So you connect it by Bluetooth, and I ended up hitting quick start because I don't know what I'm doing. I need to work out like now. So it counts you down and then it automatically starts your treadmill. Very T. You're in a live room with other people that is using this app, and you can see their progress by miles and their pace and how fast they're going on their treadmill. And I like that the treadmill is very quiet, so I was able to watch a movie. This was the quickest that I've ever been on a treadmill. Like, the time flew by. I was watching my movie, I was vibed out, and I was checking the stats to see what place I was in. I'm using the remote control that came with the treadmill to up the speed, and it goes all the way up to 7.6 miles per hour. And I want to get into running, but that's neither here nor there. That's a story for another day. I jogged for a little bit and then I got tired, so I was like, hold on, take it back. I'm working on my stamina. In the middle of my workout, I decided I needed to feel it, because when I'm at the gym, I be feeling it. So I paused my workout and I adjusted the incline. It is adjustable and it is manual. It's really easy to do. And after that, when I tell y'all, the last 20 minutes of my workout, I was burning. My legs were burning. I felt it in my glutes and I felt it in my thighs the most. I really love this treadmill, only because every day I don't feel like going to the gym, so it's perfect for me. I have no excuses. And when you get done, ladies, it's so compact. You could store it under your bed, under your couch, in a closet. You can purchase this treadmill as well using the link in my description box below and use my discount code so you can get a pretty little penny off of this. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it. And thank you so much, Toputure, for sponsoring this video.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake your ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the bank, show the whole world. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. dance, let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Dance, let me see you do your dance, for the dance, baby dance, let me see you do your dance, for the dance, baby dance, for the whole girl. Dance for the dance, baby dance, let me see you do your dance, for the dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, baby girl.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So I am at Dunkin' Donuts on my way to work, and I got a shot of espresso with caramel drizzle with a large cup of ice. I'm about to make a protein coffee. I'm gonna let my car drive itself. So I got my ice, I got my shot of espresso with caramel. Ooh, that shit about to be good. They didn't give me no straw. They be telling you to keep your hands on the wheel. Keep your hands on the wheel. Okay. I love my car, y'all. Like, I know we not messing with Elon Musk right now. We don't support him. But I really do love my car. I love that she could drive herself. Alright, so I got this vanilla core protein shake. The protein shake that I made earlier in the video, same amount of same amount of grams of protein. I'm really doing a mukbang. That is so funny. And I'm happy that I asked for a large, because I thought this was too big at first. But this is my coffee, and I'm gonna mix it around. She didn't give me no straw, so what is a girl to do? Hold on, I'm gonna use my Stanley straw. Oh my gosh, this is good. I don't know, I just have some like mid 90-day life makeover clarity. I'm documenting my life, and I feel like that's what was missing in my series anyways. Like, it's summertime now. Well, about to be summertime now. I'm about to be outside, okay? I feel like my life has been put on pause because I'm waiting to be better. I'm waiting to feel better. I'm waiting to look better. Like, no. And I feel like we be so hard on ourselves, and like, even though we see the progress, we're still like trying to get to the next milestone. And I feel like we need to really work on that, because we need to stop and smell the roses while they're here. I don't want to look back 10 years from now. Yeah, I'll be where I'm at, but I don't want to look back and be like, well, damn, I spent all my time trying to be better or trying to get to where I'm at, and now that I'm here, I didn't even really live life. I'm yearning for like a different type of experience. I want to do things out of my norm, and I know I've said this in like other videos, but yeah, y'all, so I just had some clarity, and I just thought I'd share. This protein coffee is hitting. I think it's hitting more than my own. That's which is what's crazy to me. So I got off work, and we're going to go have some drinks with my co-workers. I'm with my bae. Okay. I took off my vest, and I changed my pants and stuff because I was just too work coated. Come on. Okay, my co-workers been inviting me out. This day 5th time, probably 6th, and I finally agreed. So we're gonna go hang out, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll let y'all know if I'm gonna hang out with them again, because I don't know. But
outside of magic, pulling up outside of magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping the elastic. 777 on the deck, and you never hear nobody snatch. Georgia keys, you know that I'm keeping it ratchet. That nigga gave me his heart, that's when I gave him some head. That's when he gave me his card. I went to the mall and I maxed it. That nigga, yeah, maxed it.
hey y'all, it's another day. I'm not in the best mood today, but I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. So I'm out running errands, and I had a protein coffee. I woke up at like 4 a.m, like 4:30 a.m. I did my morning mindfulness while I was in bed. I prayed and everything. Every time I do my morning mindfulness, I always have like some clarity or some type of like realization, and it's like, this shit is hard. You hear me? And I know I need to stop saying it, like, stuff is hard. Make 10 bands a month, walk 10K steps, eat right, communicate with your family and your friends, strengthen your relationship with God, take care of your mental health, get rest. And it's just like so much, but I'm gonna do it though. I am at the library. library and I gotta be quiet, but I'm so excited. But I got my library card and I'm ready to check out some books and just relax and enjoy my day, y'all. I'm too excited. And I done talked to, I'm gonna tell y'all in the car, I'm gonna tell you.
When I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody.
I did it. Okay, y'all, so what I was trying to tell y'all in the library, I was talking to all types of people, y'all, and I even seen somebody I knew from work. That's crazy. And I just felt like I was a little bit more outgoing than I would be, and more approachable, I should say. So let me show y'all the books that I got. I got 3. I got a month to read all of these. But I got The House Across the Lake by Riley Sager. Hold on, it's hot as hell in here. It's hot as hell outside, y'all. Oops. I don't want it too loud. I got Anna. I doubt I'm gonna read all of these. I don't even know why I got 3. And I got The Monsters We Defy. So I was reading through them before I left. I don't know which book I'm gonna pick up and read first, but they're all interesting to me, so I'm gonna do that. Y'all will be so proud of me. I was really actually talking to people, and I was being so friendly and outgoing and approachable and just smiling and stuff, and I all of that. I was just so proud. And then I showed my friend myself, and she was like, "You look like a white girl model." I'm skinny. I'm skinny. I'm skinny. So I ran my errands today. I did everything that I had to do. I did not do a good job of getting content while I was on the go. I be forgetting. I'm not used to like vlogging and stuff like that. But anyways, I went food shopping. I like to go food shopping for the week so I could just make all the meals that I'm gonna be meal prepping this week and things of that nature. I had a very, 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 very good day. Better than when it started. And yeah, cheers to more good days. All right, my background might be loud, but I didn't eat anything today because I was on a run. Never got to stop and get sushi. So I made a Big Mac bowl, and I'm gonna just tell y'all what's in it. So I got lettuce, rice. That don't got nothing to do with a Big Mac, but still I threw it in there. I got plain Greek yogurt as sour cream. I made a Big Mac sauce, and I had put pickles and jalapenos, salad, and cheese. And I'm about to go in. Let me mix it. And oh, I forgot to take a picture. Dog, why is this so fire? I would hate for y'all to hear me smacking, but this shit is fire. This was a good idea. My girlfriend gonna be jealous. Like, this dead tastes like a Big Mac. Now the rice is a little bit misplaced, but I did that so I could be full. I love that I'm like learning new recipes. I feel like I can eat healthy as long as it tastes good. So my main thing is making sure I like it, making sure that it tastes good to me, because unhealthy food just tastes so good. I didn't add in like certain things like jalapenos was 5 calories. I didn't put that in my tracker. I didn't add in because I used a little bit of mustard to make the Big Mac sauce, so I didn't add that in either. Excuse me. So I'm gonna say like 520 calories. No, babe, because I'm vlogging. She's gonna ask me if I'm alive. Hold on, let me finish. Sure. I have to update my media kit. 1 and 2, I made a spreadsheet with all the brands and their contacts that I want to reach out to, and I will show y'all that. So now I'm just gonna get my drafts ready for next week so I could just start sending them out, like personalize them to each brand, you know, and have them already saved in my drafts so I could just push them out next week. So all in all, I had a good week. I think that I'm coming out of my flop era. We'll see though. We'll see. Stand by. Stand by.
Let's go ahead and jump into this Notion before we end episode 5. I changed the quote to enjoy the process because honestly, it really is about enjoying the process. I haven't been on my Notion for about 2 weeks, but this week that I just vlogged, I have gotten back into my Notion. So I didn't really like get all up in it, but yeah, these are the things that I've done. Let's go ahead and reset this and get this ready for a whole new week. And these are some new positive habits that I added to my Notion template since I've started this challenge. I need to grow and monetize my YouTube channel. That's my biggest thing. I'm so close. Like I probably need like 500 more watch hours vlogging, brand deals, and get down to 145 pounds, period. Like I said, I haven't used Notion in the past 2 weeks, so I kind of filled in for week 7 and 8, but I know I was happy because I got my brand deal packages finally, and I got some PR packages, which we'll talk about in the next episode. And I'm down 15.5 pounds, and this week that just passed, nothing spectacular happened, but I definitely feel realigned. I feel like I'm looking better, feeling better, and I worked on my social and financial goals this week. You can get this Notion template for the free using the link in my description box below. Yes, go ahead and get this free Notion template and get your life together. So I finished the book that I had a couple of episodes back. So that's why I went to the library, finally got my library card, and I'm going to be starting a new book this weekend. I definitely want to focus on working out and sending out those brand pitches. We'll get into all of that in the next episode because y'all, I am going hard, okay? I'm going hard. The next episodes, I promise y'all, are going to be good because I am going full throttle. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you download this free template below.